Okay, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have a special lot number 241 of our upcoming auction in January 13th. This is a Carette. It's a 29-inch German battleship with twin gantries. It has 4 of these twin cannons. They all rotate. It's got the Kriegsmarine, I believe is the terminology, the German war flag from about 1930 or so. It's got twin pennants. Real nice item. We're going to shoot the other side next. Okay, here's the Carette 29-inch. We've got a nice anchor there. These can rotate into place. These are more fixed. These guys rotate. Good looking ship. The wind-up's quite strong. And we're just zooming out for some details. So enjoy. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Be sure to check out our auction, which will be listed on Live Auctioneers in about 10 days, which would put it at about December 15th or so, 2023. So then the auction will be 2024, January 13th, which is a Saturday. Take care.